This conference will now be recorded.
Hello.
No, sir.
Yeah, good evening, guys. Yeah. So, what was the last discussion? Yeah, we printed, I mean, we converted the given string into reverse. This was the last program. We'll do it. Yeah, before we do something, I would like to give you some more knowledge on it. Guys, here you try to understand this topic clearly. We have two different types of memories, constant pool
Sir,
and heap memory. Yes, yes.
last time you gave assignment, but I couldn't do. So can you just
Which assignment I give?
the trying? I mean, 3 by 3 matrix, and I need to find max from each row.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes. Nobody did, huh?
I'm not sure, but I can't.
Okay,
Yeah,
no
I
problem.
tried some code. Can you show it?
Yeah, okay, okay. I'll look at it. When we come to programming, we'll look at it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So here you try to understand what is happened here. The constant pool memory and heap memory. There are two types of memory. When you use new keyword while declaring a string, it will be heap memory declaration. Without using new keyword, directly if you provide the constant in the variable declaration of string, it will be like constant pool. So what is the difference between heap declaration and constant pool declaration? That will understand. Suppose I declared string str. I declared string str. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. So when I declared string str hi, Okay, and we declare one variable of object inside the constant pole, that is high, guys, do remember. And after that, the str is the name of the variable, the name of the variable, reference variable name is put it in the separate memory called stack memory, that is str, do remember. Okay, the object is created high inside the constant pole, and the memory variable is declared in the stack variable, stack memory. Okay, similarly, suppose if you say hello, so one more object is created for hello. Okay, and its variable is again declared in the constant pool str2, do remember this constant pool str2. Okay, now. Okay, what happens if you declare another variable of string type with the same content high, which is already exist, high is already exist, but still I'm declaring this variable in my program. Both are same, right? So it go and search for this particular text high. Is it there already in the pool or what? Yes, it is there in the pool already, high declared. So rather than creating one more memory block, the constant pool, what it does is, okay, the str3 is declared in the stack, and the object address of this high object will be stored in the same str3. I mean, the same memory block address is stored in str, and as well as it is stored in the str3, to remember. str and str3, both the variables which are containing the address of high object, rather than creating one more new object. So in constant pool, no duplications are allowed. Okay, it indicates that no duplications are allowed. If already you declared one block with the same value, then it won't create one more block with the same thing. Rather than it will just place the variable in the another part. And then when it goes to the new keyword, what happens? And it will declare high one more memory. Yes, new memory. And you declare hello str2 new memory, and again it placed into the separate variable, reference variable here. And again, if you declare high, which is already there, but still in the memory, heap memory, a new object is created rather than using the existing object. That is the new keyword. Okay, and separate reference variable for the separate object each and every place. So duplicates are allowed in the heap memory, guys. This is the difference you need to understand, and declaring between the a normal constant and new keyword. Okay, there are two types of declaration can be done for the string, but do remember this is the difference. And one more thing I will tell you that string, the class string, the string class, and there is one more thing called string buffer class. Okay, string class, string buffer class. This is mutable. Sorry, this is not mutable. This is mutable. String class is there, string buffer class is there. String class, okay, allows, I mean, the variable of the string class, the object of the string class is mutable object, whereas string buffer class object is, sorry, string class is not mutable. String buffer class is mutable. What do you mean the meaning of mutable? Not changeable. Not changeable. Here it is changeable. Not changeable, changeable. Do remember this point. String buffer is changeable, string is not changeable. What do you mean by that? See, Suppose if I declare string str equals a new string with hi, for example. So what happens this string class variable, what will happen now? I declare one more thing. Let us declare string str to equal to new string hello. Okay, no. I'll do one thing. Str equals again I store hello, or else I just append plus equals to hello. Okay. After this, if you print system.out.println, what is the value of str? Okay. What is the value of str?
STR.
Why? I'll tell you. This is the uh, yeah stat block. This is stat block. Okay, and this is a stat block, and you go and store store. Yeah, I declared here one object, and the name of the object is str, and the address would be something, anything. Okay, assume some number, and it is being pointed by this reference variable. Got it? And the content it holds what? Hi. Okay, now tell me, this object is created by string or string buffer? This object is created by using what? String, right? Yeah, string is mutable or immutable, changeable, not changeable, not changeable. Means you try to change here. You added hello to existing str, and if you print, the output will be okay. Hi, hello, both will be there. Means now, if you look at the output, is it changed or not changed?
Change.
Changed, but I said not changeable. I said not changeable. Okay. What do you mean by that? But how is it possible that I am able to change? Okay, how is it able to not possible it is changed? Let me do it. So what happens rather than this? Okay, it will go and create one more new block of memory. New block of memory, and with a different address, whatever it could be. The address could be something like 2222.011. Okay, some address, and it contains what text, guys?
Hi, hello.
Contains hi, and at that time what happens? This address, latest address, will be stored in the str, and this address is gone, cut. This address is deleted. You can simply say like it is deleted. This address is, the link of this is removed. This link is removed. Okay, na? So now if you print str again, okay, this will print the same hi hello or not? Yes, in the output it is printing hi hello, but currently it is associated with what? New object, not the old object, because I already told string objects are not changeable. So if you force to change anything, it will create one more new object and add the previous content, and also it will add the new content and in the new block. If you add one more thing, now it will create one more block. I mean, what is happening when you try to make changes? It will keep on creating new memory locations rather than working on the current location. So you are wasting the memory. That is what string concept. If it is string buffer, na, then it will make the changes in the same block rather than working on the new block. Let me show you that also for your confirmation. So in this way you should understand what is the string and the string buffer, guys. Yes, this is the string buffer, assume. So the same thing, if you declare string buffer sb equals new string buffer okay, hi, okay, and now string buffer sb dot append method will be there by default. I will tell you how. Hello, you add it. Now if you print system dot out dot print will print sb. What will be the output of sb? Output of sb is what? Hi and hello, same. So both are printing same value after you make change. But here what? Here it does not create the new object for hi hello. No more new object is created for the changes in the current one. Rather than making changes in this, okay, rather than making changes in this now, it will hold the previous object only, and whatever the changes you are making, it will hold in the current object only. Hi, hello, hi, hello. The same thing will happen here, but in the same object rather than another new object. This is the difference. If you make change into a string buffer again it will append it to the same address, not in the new block. Guys, are you getting my point? What I'm saying? That is the difference between string buffer and string. So string buffer is what? Changeable class object. String is not changeable. And you see there is already append method available, but this append method is not in string. That's what I used plus equal operator. If it is changeable now, append method there itself also it will be available. Here we have append method, here we have reverse method. There are a lot of different methods which can reverse. See, doing reverse in the string buffer directly you have a method. Doing reverse in the string you don't have any method, you need to manually do it. But for manipulating, do you think string is better? No. Guys, tell me if anybody having any clarification here, need clarification. Are clear for everyone now? Hello?
Clear.
Yes. So this is the history you need to understand about string. So mutable, not mutable, okay, and constant pull and heap memory. Now let us come back to this program. You told something like, yeah, you want me to explain that program, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me take this 3. See? No, I'll go and print here. Yeah. So I take a 3 by 3 matrix and I am printing matrix now. No condition. All matrix to be printed according to me. All matrices to be printed. Save it, run it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is the matrix, but according to what I said, for each row you need to find the maximum value. Each row means what? Printing of for loop, right? Sorry, printing of for loop. This one is each row. I mean, in each element I need to find the biggest one. Yes, here I declared int big equals to 0. Int big equals to 0. Here I put brace because I have to calculate the sum. I need more statements to be added. Tell me, after printing, if big is greater than, big is less than a of ij. Yeah, after printing one number, I am checking whether the number is bigger than the big variable. If it is, I store that into big, guys. Of I is simple. Likewise, first j equal to, in the first row, first column, j equal to 0, it will be tested. J equal to 1, it will be tested. J equal to 2, it will be tested. One row is over. Then after going out of the next row, then finding this, and I will print that. How to print? Anyhow, you are printing slash n kada. Before slash n, I just print here max equals plus big. Then I will go to next line. Let me check. Job is over. Simple program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at the code, guys. See, after this, I am checking what is the biggest value. After this, I am checking what is the biggest value. After this, I am checking. Yeah. Then finally, I have some value in the big now. That value only I am printing here. Then I'm restarting. When I go to next row, okay, again big is refreshed with 0 because I need to count again the second row biggest value, no? So again it will do the same stuff. Here also it will check with the big. Initially big equal to 0, so 4 goes to be 0. 4 goes to big. Again it will be tested here. Yeah, this is bigger than the big. 5 goes to big. This is bigger than the big. 6 goes to big. Over. What is the value of big? 6. Again big will be reset to 0, and big will be tested with 7, and 7 will be stored into big. Then 8 will be tested with the big. 8 will be stored into big because it's the biggest value. Then big. 9 will be stored into big because it's the biggest value than the big. Finally I will print the big value. Guys, are you clear?
Yeah.
If anybody having any doubts, let me know this about this logic. Yeah, everybody got clarity of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Before printing only, I need to check whether the currently printed value is a bigger value than one variable. That's it. Then compare with the next value. If it is still bigger than big, then store it. Not otherwise. Then print before I print the next row. That's it. That's it, guys. So this is the example assignment I gave you. Here, yeah, string demo. Guys, I take a string and I will send it to a method here. Method is like vowel count. Vowel count. So I want to check how many vowels present in the given string. Mute everyone, guys. Mute everyone. Mute everyone. Yes. Yeah. So here I'm sending a string to the method called vowel count, and the method will check number of vowels present in the string. Guys, can anybody do it? Count the vowels and return the count. Anyone? Vowel count. How many vowels present? A, E, I, O, U's. So you need to check each and every character, na? Put vowels equals 0 initially. Put a for loop. Integer I equals to start from 0, I less than str dot length up to the length of the string I plus plus I plus plus. Okay. If str dot caret of I equals a, or same thing I will check, copy, paste, 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 paste. U O I E. See guys, A E I O U. I am checking the character. I extracted the each character of the str and I check whether that character is matching with A or that character is matching with E I O U. If it is matching, okay, I just say vowels increment of vowels value, then return vowels guys. And this is the type of what? Integer. And here I should receive with what? Integer vowels, integer vowels, vowels, integer vowels. Run it. Hello, hello, to EO, India, 3, IA, okay, Java, AA2. Guys, is that clear to all? But here there is one problem. If you give small letters Pasha, it won't work because you are only testing capital letters. You people tell me how to solve this problem. And do you want any changes in the current output? If any changes in the current output, let me know, everyone.
Add equals ignore case to
Where should I put equals ignore case?
str dot.
Yes, ma, this is not a string. This is what? It's one character. That's what I am checking with equal symbol. Na? Are you testing? Are you comparing a string or are you comparing with a single character? Single quotations I am using, not double quotations, right? If it is string, we compare with the double quotations, right? Caret of I means you will get one character string. It's extracting one by one character na, from the string.
Convert into uppercase first.
Very good. Before that, str equals str dot to uppercase. Fantastic. This is better. Now the characters will come like uppercase only. No need to check again and again. Pasha working. Pasha small letters working. Am I clear? Indian 3 working. Guys, like that you need to use the methods according to your requirement. Can anybody tell me, can we do something else in this logic or it's perfect logic? Do you feel something not good and you want to change it or it's okay? Anybody?
I'm not sure, but I think we can put that vowels into array and we compare with no.
Yeah. Guys, anyone? Here, if you observe what I am doing, every time converting, every time I'm converting. So am I converting for each different character or same character? Here you will get first character. Here also you will get first character. Here also you will get first character. So why I am converting these many times if it is the same character? Okay, once I extract that character and put it in a variable, character variable, then you can compare with the C now. Why every time comparison is required? Are you getting my point? Code is increased and processor is also engaged because you are doing the same stuff many times. No comparison, conversion. Sorry, conversion. So why should I convert again and again, boss? Only convert it once. Only convert it once and use the same character to test. So first character you converted of the string into C. Then C is compared with whether the C belongs to A na, C is matching with E na, C is matching with I na. Like that you are checking. If it is working fine, then okay. See how much code you reduced. Hello, working up. Java capital working up. Yeah, is it not better, guys? Less code, less conversion. I mean, processor also doing the job only once conversion. Processor also not working every time. The same converted character I'm checking into many times. This is good logic. Anybody have any comments on this? Guys, is it good?
Yep.
Yes. I also wants to show the way you told. What is that way you showed me? Yeah. Either this way or else go in another way. What is another way? I'll tell you. As you told, put all in a string. Vowels. You can put all vowels because they are fixed. Na A E I O U's. A E I O U. They are all fixed. So I put string vowels. Oh, vowels. Vowel count. Here I'll change the name. Vowel count. Yeah. String vowels equal to A E I O U. I stored all the vowels string into vowels. Okay, and the string I am converting into uppercase as usually. Here each character I am checking with rather than all. Hmm. So vowels dot contains, there is a method called contains what, contains C character, but this can't compare with the character, boss. You need to compare with the string, so you just put empty string over there. Now this C is converted into string here, and this will be tested with the vowels. If it is matching with any of the character in this, contains means what? If this string contains one of this character, it will be true. Then vowel count will be incremented. Vowel count will be incremented, and finally you return vowel count. Yeah, as you said, this is the logic. Both logics will work. Now let us test this logic. Java to India. Both the logics are working fine. Either you do this normal logic or you do this with the Java string logic. Whatever you feel better, you can do it. Guys, is it clear to everyone?
Yep.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yeah. Now we'll do one program for taking a string and testing for its a palindrome or not. String palindrome. Is palindrome. You know palindrome is what? Palindrome is what? Madam is palindrome string. Malayalam is a palindrome string. Did is a palindrome string. You know why it is palindrome. Okay,
Yes.
guys. Madam is a palindrome. Is this
Yes.
also palindrome? No. Yes.
Earphones.
So I want to
Yes.
check whether the given string is palindrome string or not. So there is a method I am going to write is palindrome, guys. Is palindrome. Yeah, can anybody tell me how to test that is a palindrome or not?
So if the
How to
given
test
string
this?
is equal to the reverse of the string,
Yeah, tell me, guys. Is palindrome? How can you perform is palindrome? I give some string here, and yeah, here I receive boolean.
so first we have to reverse the string and then we have to compare it with the given string.
Yes, very good. Now, so you need to reverse the given string. How to reverse? Already there are two ways, correct? Now already we did one way how to reverse it in the beginning, right? Upper to lower. But can we use the string reverse method here? I mean string buffer reverse method. Can we use that?
We need to convert in buffer first.
Yes, yes. That also we'll learn now how to convert string to string
Yeah,
buffer also.
yeah,
Can we do it? So
yeah.
the string
String
has to be
buffer
converted. Hmm.
SB is equal to new string buffer bracket str
Hmm.
SB dot reverse.
SB dot reverse. So yeah, we
Reverse.
will get. So you will get the reverse of the string buffer. Again, I need to convert this reverse it into string, right?
Yeah,
Mm. Or else I can say str equals sb. Directly, it's not possible. I need to convert. Okay. String is reverse. Reverse equals to new string sb. Okay, na? This way it is
yeah.
possible. Yeah. Now this is the reverse. If rev dot equals rev dot equals ignore case
Equals
str, correct?
Yep.
Then return true,
True.
palette.
else return false. Then this is boolean. Yes, I hope. What is wrong here? Boolean, sorry.
Boolean.
And this will be returned, and this result will be returned and printed. Yeah, look at this and let me know, guys. Understand anyone? If anybody having any doubt here, just let me know. Is there anybody having any doubt? Mihir,
No, thank you.
Santosh, Reddy,
Yeah, it's
and
clear. Clear.
yes, Maram, Santosh,
Yes, clear,
Shilpa.
sir.
Yeah. So if everybody clear, yes. Good. See, let me check whether the program is working fine or not. Madam, true. Pasha, false. Okay, Malayalam. So, like this, it is working fine. Okay, now. So this is what we need to understand, guys. That how it is working and all. Guys, I'll tell you. This is the assignment. Look at this carefully. You need to do it. This is the assignment for the tomorrow session. What is the assignment? Suppose input is given in this way: up, down, down, cap and V, cap and V. You should print this output. What target is? Suppose what he says that the delivery is given following pattern to deliver the items to the target floor. Write a program to find the floor and number of ground floors visits during the travel, sir. Assume he starts at the ground floor. So this is what the assignment is. What he say, assume he starts from the ground floor and he moves up or down based on the pattern. Now according to this, he start from ground floor. Now tell me, he's going up or down?
Up.
Up means where he is going? First floor, from the ground floor, right? Where he will be back? Same floor, ground floor, no?
Yeah.
Next, up, over. Where he is right now?
Up.
First floor.
Up means which floor it is?
First floor.
First floor. How many times he visited ground floor? Tell me, including first one.
1.
2 times.
2 times.
2 times. See, this is the output. You need to print this output. Target floor is first floor, and he visited 2 times.
Sir,
Suppose this pattern. Sorry.
please explain again. Couldn't
Yes,
understand.
ma. Yes, ma. A delivery boy has given the pattern of the string. Means like this. An input is given. He is supposed to deliver the item to the target floor. So write a program to print the text wise what is inside this pattern. So let us understand. So he starts his journey from the ground floor. Now you tell me, according to this pattern, where he is standing before he start journey. He's at ground floor, no?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yeah. If I say up, where he will be? In the next floor, first floor. And what is the next one? Going down. From the first is coming down to where? Ground floor. So how many ground floor visits have done so far? 2.
1, 2.
Then one more up. Then nothing is there. I mean finished. Where he is right now? In the first floor, right? So target is what?
First floor.
First floor. How many times he visited ground floor?
2 times.
2 times.
Is it the output?
How the floor output, how it will come 4 times?
Emma, I didn't understand what you're asking me.
Second floor visits equal to 4. Could you please explain?
No, forget about it. I did not tell you about this, na. Why you are getting into that one? Just look at this, na. Is that clear? See, this pattern output is this one. Okay, when you get this pattern, now look at it. Where he is going? Up or down?
Up.
Which floor? First floor.
floor.
This is
Second floor.
Second floor.
First floor.
First
Ground floor.
ground floor.
How many visits ground floor? 2 visits, right?
2 visits.
-1, -2. Next, -1, ground. He's coming up. So how many visits from the ground? 2. Next, up, first floor. Again ground floor. First floor. Second floor.
Second floor.
Stopped. What is the target? What is the target? Where he stopped?
Second floor.
Second floor. How many times he visited ground floor? 4
4.
times. So this should be your output. I hope the problem statement is clear to all.
Yes.
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 Now okay ma, do you understand?
The target floor is the last floor which he visited. Mary.
Don't listen your voice very clearly. Can you repeat it again?
The target floor is the final floor which he visited. Am I right?
Yeah, target floor which is his visiting, and meanwhile how many times he is visiting to the ground floor, that also I wanted. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Try to finish this program by next session, and okay, I'll do it once again, one more program. If possible, you people will help me here. For example, program number is lucky number. Program name is lucky number. What do you mean by lucky number? Look at this, guys. First, understand what is the problem statement. Suppose if I give one date in the string format, 11 1 2001. Assume I gave this date in the string format. Which format? String format. You should print the lucky number. What do you mean by lucky number? So you should count the number of digits. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Of course 0 don't need to count now. Okay, if you want to be very clear, you can also look at this. What is the output? 3 4 5 6. Answer is 6 now. So 6 is single digit or double digit?
Single.
This is the output lucky number. Suppose you have like 19 2019 2019. Now tell me what is the output? 3 4 5 6 plus 9. How much? 15. It is not a lucky number. So your job is what? You should calculate the same thing until you get the single digit. I mean, you start 1 plus 5 again. The one you got it as a result, you calculate again the digits of that result. 1 plus 5. What is the answer? 6. Now the 6 is a single digit. So it is a lucky number. This is our target. Guys, will you do it? This also, will you take it as challenge, or you want me to discuss in the class now? Everybody understood what is this concept? There are a lot
Yeah.
of challenges are there.
Could you just tell how to do it?
Yeah. Just wait. Enter date. Enter date in DDMMYYYY format. Date of birth. Assume this is your date of birth. Program is what? Lucky number. of date of birth.
STR.
DOB. Get a lucky number. This is much better. Get lucky number. Okay. Copy this. Paste it here. String date of birth. This is date, but it is in the form of string, guys. Do remember. Don't be confused. Okay. Remove all this stuff. We'll write once again. Yeah. After taking a string in the form of ddmmyy, okay, and lucky number is a number. Okay. Num, and print that num here. Okay. Job is over. What is wrong here? Sorry, I need to show one comments. See, I take a string from the user, and that string is in the form of date of birth. I'm sending the date of birth to a method called get lucky number, and it will calculate that lucky number and give it back to me the final single digit number. Yeah, what we supposed to do as a first step, there is some ddmmyy. First you need to get this in a string format to numerical format. Yes or no?
Yes.
And before converting into numerical format, you need to separate them ddmmyy, correct? How to convert, how to correct, separate them ddmmyy?
Split.
Very
Split.
good. Dob dot split, dob dot split with what? Hyphen,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi.
So how many strings arrays will come? String arrays will come, right?
Yes.
What do you call this? Dates. I call this as a dates. Some dates, anything it could be, no problem. Now I need to separate them and convert the first dates of 0. Actually, it is a string, right? The string value first I need to convert into integer. How to do that? I already told in the typecast. Integer dot parse int. Integer dot parse int, which is converted from string of date. I told you I will tell you the typecasting of objects later. So the string type integer, if you want to convert into normal integer, this is the important method, dd. So dd now coming finally into numerical format. Copy this, paste 2 times. Yeah, dates of 1, dates of 2. So what it is holding? What it is holding? YY.
Bye.
So the date splitted separate, and now ready to calculate into first dd plus plus YY. You get lucky number. Assume this is the lucky number, but unfortunately it might not be lucky number. Now what I should do is I put while loop until lucky number is greater than or equals to 10, because I want
9.
single digit, no? No, equal also I put, no? This you continue if it is even 10, correct?
Okay.
What should I do? I need to find the sum of digits, right? When it is coming inside of the loop means what? It is not a single digit. You have to convert into single digit. I mean, you need to find the sum of digits. So what we do is, out of this, public static int sum of digits. We already have this program now. If a number is given, you need to find out the sum of digits, right? While n is greater than 0, integer remainder equals n percentage r, sorry, n percentage 10, then sum plus equals to r, n is equals to n by 10,
10.
and finally it returns the sum of digit. Job is over. Now you need to call this method here to find out the lucky number sum of digit. Correct? Send lucky number to the method. Guys, are you getting my point?
Yes.
Whatever the sum you are getting, you again add this to the lucky number again. The lucky number again, the same number. Whatever the number you are storing, sending, you will get the sum of it and you store here. Again it will be tested. If it is still not single digit, it will convert, again go and send it to the sum of digits. One more value will come. If the value is single digit, it will stop and come out of this loop and return. Let me check first. Let me check and I'll come back. Is it working fine or not? 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. What is the answer? Correct?
Yep.
1 1 11 1 2019, right? 11 1 2019. What is the output? 6 again. Got 6 here? Yes. So whatever the date you give, it will give only lucky number. 19 2019. Guys, output is clear to everyone? Output is clear
Yes.
to everyone? Now try to understand. Guys, I don't want to write like this. I have some alternative. Can anybody tell me what is that alternative? I'll put a for loop. Integer I equals to 1, sorry, 0, I less than dates of length, dates dot length I plus plus, yeah, lucky number plus equals to dates of I. After a split, anyhow you are getting, right? And declare one variable lucky number, declare one variable lucky number, okay na? And store 0 first into that, and after splitting you will get the three words of strings. So each word I am parsing into for loop by placing 0 1 2 3 like I value. So whatever the converted value will be appended to the lucky number, okay na? If still it is not a single digit, then based on the condition it will go into the loop and convert into the sum of digit, then finally you return that. Guys, now I hope everybody should understand. Still confused or it's clear?
Science, could you please explain the for loop and why while loop present?
Why for loop? Because in date of birth, how many strings will be splitted based on this? DD mm by y 3 will come na, 3 dates will come na.
Yes.
So rather than writing 3 lines of code, I am just repeating in the for loop. Looks better, no? So first what happens, dates of 0, dd will be parsed and added to the lucky number automatically. And then dates of 1, will be parsed and added to the lucky number, dd added, added. And yy will be parsed and added to the lucky number, over. Once for loop, how many times it will work? 3 times, right? Why it only 3 times? Because when you split it, you are getting only 3 arrays, dd, yy. So that's what it work for 3 times, and the 3 numbers will be added to the lucky number. Then I am checking the lucky number is less than or greater than. If it is greater than 10, it will go and call this method, which is already doing the sum of digits. I no need to write the code for this again here. I will use the predefined method, which already we did. So I will send, boss, tell me what is the sum of digits for the given number. Okay, this will receive that and return back. So whatever is returning, the sum of digit I am storing here, and it will be tested whether I reach it to the 0, less than or equal less than 9. Not yet. If it is still greater than 10, then it will repeat that, calling the method and getting the sum of digits. Okay, once it is returned, again it will be stored and again it will be tested here, whether still it is reached less than 10 or not. If it is less than 10, loop will stop and that return value from the method. Yeah, who understood? Just let me know, guys, this problem statement.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, anybody else?
Yes, I got it.
Yes, I understood.
Yes, ma. So these type of logics you need to practice well. Okay. Yes. So guys, anyhow, practice all this and we are done with the all basics till now, strings and arrays and everything. In the next session, we'll start off with the object oriented programming concepts. So I hope everybody will practice and get this logical programming. Okay. And if you are interested, I will give more problem statements every day, one by one. Then you can practice. But till now, everybody get ready with the logics here. Am I clear? And also work on this assignment and bring by the next session that assignment. Remember that assignment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yeah. Right, guys. Bye. See you in the next session with the OOPS concepts. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Right, sir.
Yes, bye.